Okay, now this is very important class. Okay, now polynomials means what? Poly means many, nominal means terms. So based upon the terms, now we will understand more about terms. Okay, so this only is most important class. First comes monomial. Monomial means what? You have only a single term. Monomial means single term. Single term. Example 2x. Single term 2x over. This is one term. Yes or no? 5m 5x square. Whatever you can take. But we only one term. Don't think they both are one now. This is different, this is different. Okay? I'm giving examples. When I write comma, that is new thing. Okay? Whenever I write plus, then it becomes one equation. Okay? So 5x square. This is one different. Next, 2m cube. That is one monomial. Some people ask me that if I just write 7, we don't have a variable there. Yes or no? 7x, 7y, 7a, there is no variable. Is that a polynomial? Yes, that is also a polynomial. That is a monomial. Mono will come inside polynomial. Okay, so this is also a polynomial. Okay, so these are the examples. Next comes a binomial. Now binomial means what? Here we have how many? Two terms. Example 2x plus 5. Two terms are there. Whenever you get plus, this is first term, this is second term. Okay, so two terms 3m plus 7. Okay, next 5x plus 3y, and so on. How many you want, you can keep adding. One more question they may ask: write a binomial, write a monomial. Okay, so you can, this will be easier. Next, third one, trinomial. Trinomial means what? Here we have how many? Three terms. Simple, very simple concepts. Okay, so 2x square plus 5m plus 3. First term, second term, third term. Here how many terms I have? Three terms. So this is a trinomial. One more example. 5m cube plus 7z, 7 and z will get confused, 7y plus 8. Easy or no? We have three terms here. Next, 3x square plus 5y plus 7, and so on. So this is how the terms are divided. First monomial, single term; binomial, two terms; trinomial, three terms. Okay, thank you.